the crunchy, juicy, spicy sensation of American fried chicken. And that savory smell. My mouth is watering just thinking about it.
Nothing wrong with licking my chicken.
It might be considered a southern U.S. delicacy, but its history began on 2 other continents. Where did it come from? And what does it have to do with Polynesians, the Highland clearances, slavery, and Sunday cluck? Stay tuned as we uncover the roots of this southern delicacy. In the 1930s, a Kentucky roadside restaurant owner developed a method of pressure frying chicken coated in a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. Colonel Harlan Sanders' Kentucky Fried Chicken became an international sensation.
This is the best Kentucky Fried Chicken I ever had.
By the 1950s, Sanders' finger-licking good Southern fried chicken was available around the world. Today, there are more than 25,000 KFC outlets in over 145 countries. Although chickens were once considered sacred in China, KFC is that country's most popular fast food chain. And every Christmas, millions of Japanese families celebrate by ordering American-style fried chicken. But fried chicken didn't start with Colonel Sanders.
What do you know about chicken?
It's thought that chickens were first brought to the Americas by Polynesians, who reached South America's Pacific coast a century before Columbus arrived in the New World. When Europeans first arrived in North America, they found it teeming with turkeys and ducks, but few chickens. They had to bring chickens across the ocean with them. But chickens didn't get fried in North America until the 1750s. That's when Scottish Highlanders, forced off their land to make room for English sheep, emigrated in large numbers to the New World. They brought with them their tradition of battering and frying chicken. Many of these new immigrants ended up in the American South. There, they encountered enslaved Africans who had also brought their ways of frying and braising chicken. As it was illegal in the southern states for slaves to own pigs and cows, chicken became one of their only meat options. But chickens were difficult to prepare. After catching and killing the bird, it had to be scalded, plucked, and singed to remove any remaining feathers. Only then could it be butchered and cooked. This elaborate process and the need to cook tender young birds made chicken a seasonal dish for special occasions like 4th of July celebrations and Sunday dinners after church. It became known as gospel bird and Sunday cluck. 2 methods of frying chicken developed in the U.S. Virginians preferred frying the meat in a deep pot of bubbling lard. A British cookbook published in 1747 gave a similar recipe for frying chicken. In Maryland, the chicken was shallow fried in a cast iron skillet with a lid, similar to the West African method of fricasseing and then braising chicken in a seasoned sauce. Enslaved Africans working in the kitchens of plantations perfected the fusion of Scottish deep frying with African seasoning, though they didn't see any of the profits of any of the fried chicken businesses. Just saying.
Before I walk away, I want to tell you that's sad.
Today, there are different styles of fried chicken around the world. Chimak, which is fried chicken with beer, is part of Korea's traditional drinking culture. Japan's karaage require marinating chicken nuggets in soy sauce and garlic before frying them in a wheat flour coating. Guatemalans use a citrus-based marinade before deep frying chicken. Whether it's drumsticks, breasts, or wings, fried chicken gets prepared using numerous recipes and flavors. But if chicken nuggets are your preferred style, we'll show you how they came to be on another episode of Origins of Food.